An analogy is a comparison of two situations to explain one in terms of the other. An allegory is story to help explain a situation. Allegories are complete stories with characters, while metaphors are brief figures of speech. The same goes with the analogy. Allegory is described as a work in which the characters and incidents are interpreted as reflecting other objects and symbolically communicating a greater, sometimes metaphysical, moral, or political meaning. On the other hand, an analogy is known as a connection between two items that are related in some way, sometimes used to describe something better or make it simpler to understand. These are used in writing to express large, sometimes abstract ideas or to comment on society. And it is also used in storytelling. Always consider an important notion you wish to convey before picking which analogy or allegory to use. It should be something big and complex, and it should have a big impact on the society you live in. Plan out your comparison or allegory once you have decided on a theme. Consider how you will turn these real-life concepts into fictional scenes and characters. Remember that your audience will be attempting to figure out who each character represents in real life, so don't mix them up with unrelated characters whose role is unclear. Make sure your audience understands how to read between the lines. You'll need to leave hints without going into too much details about your message. Don't be so subtle that the reader loses track of what you're trying to say, or the audience loses track of what you're going to tell them. The surface story must be self-contained. This isn't an essay or a speech, despite the fact that the underlying message can be a little esoteric. The top layer must make sense and be interesting in and of itself.